Hello! Welcome back. This is yeah, we're in cows now, huh? Cows, yes. World Superbike Day. Well, not day, but you know what I mean. Weekend. It's on Thursday. No, it's on Thursday. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Yeah, we'll have a little ride down, man. More bikers. Gotta nod at everyone. Sick, man. I love this bit. How you doing, boys? Yeah, look at all these trees, huh? I love all these trees that fit cows, man. It's just fucking amazing. I love it. Just look at them all. I think if I ever want to retire and just ride a fucking bike, I'll retire here, I think, for sure. Because I love the place. So, there's a policeman. You gotta be very, very close. Yeah, look at this house, man. It's crazy. I hope you've seen that, but it's a fucking crazy little house, man. Yeah. Oh my house. Now, if I ever retire, I think Phillip Island will definitely be a place for me to be, because you've got the racetrack, you've got the beach, you've got good coffee. What more do you need? Yeah. So yeah, I'm just gonna take you for a little ride around, see all the bikers, see what everyone's doing in cows today. Hello, good afternoon. This is cows, man. The epicenter for bikers. New South Wales, they've come a fair way. New South Wales, so is this guy. Oh. Hello, say hello. Yeah, we're gonna take you to the beach anyway. And just have a look around basically. Because it's fucking sick. All the bikers everywhere. I seen that guy on the way down on his CBX with I fucking hate him. But yeah, this is cows, people. Like, they usually shut off this road, but I don't know, it doesn't look shut off today. Maybe for tomorrow for the race. Well, not tomorrow, Sunday for the race, I think. They'll shut it up. But everyone comes down here to get coffee. That's all they do. Trying nice bikes, yeah. Yeah. And there's all the fucking bike gear and souvenirs and shit. All that. All the fucking people. It's just fucking loads of people, yeah. Stop and get some food in a bit. Yeah, this is the beach, huh? Look at it. Okay, love the beach. It's a beautiful day. Look at it. Sick as fuck. Still want to live here. Oh, pretty lady riding a pushback. Oh, look at it. But yeah, this is where I want to come live, man. What would I do to live up here? It'd be awesome. Just look at it. It's just fucking amazing. I don't even know what that is down there, but it's something, I think. Not too sure. But yeah, cows, man. Little tiny place, and then as soon as there's a bike race on at Phillip Island, everyone just comes here and for the weekend and just stays here. A lot of people camp at the track, and it's pretty good. All the piers and shit like that. Everyone gets all excited, man. This little dead town becomes fucking carnage, I think. Oh, does that mean we can't go down here? I'm not too sure, man. We'll go to the racetrack anyway.